Rise and grind, man. Back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got a 2008 Acura TL, and we're gonna be doing the oil pan on it. This thing's been leaking oil for quite some time. Got to the point where all of the oil is just coming out every time you pour it in. So let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion. I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Get down here, I'm gonna show you real quick. Man. This gonna be a fun job. Wow. Alright, man, I popped the hood and he told me he needed some valve cover gaskets. And yes, he does. I mean, bad. You could just see that. Man. So I got some brake cleaner. I'm gonna get up under here and clean some of this up before I start on it, so I can actually see the bolts. Spray some of this shit down, man. Now we got a 10 mil bolt right here, and then one at the end of this. Get this other portion of this skid plate off. It's supposed to be 2 pieces. Get those 2 bolts out, and we get that bracket out. And then we got this clip here. Get the flat head, get that out. Alright, now we got that down, get that out the way. Good. This thing is covered. Well, what's leaking? Oil, transmission fluid, power steering fluid. I used the whole bottle to get to this point. So, see, we got bolts over here. These bolts, you're gonna have to remove these 2 bolts from the exhaust. Hit those with some WD-40, and we got these 2 bolts into the transmission. Got all of them right there, right around here, up through there. So we got to remove these bolts right here. And get that exhaust down. So this whole piece gonna be able to swing down, and then we can get to this pan. Let me point this out real quick. All right, we got a bolt right here. That bolt, only way to get that out I found, it was an easy way. So I use 10 mil extension swivel. So I got all the 10 mil bolts out that I could, which is around the front, the rear, and this side over here. We got these bolts here. There's 4 of them. Those are 17 mil. All right, next we got the wheel off. I'm gonna get over here on this side. I'm gonna take this flap off. Got a couple of them. Get that off, pull that down, and now our bolts are over here. We got 1, 2, 3, and it's 4. One on the right side. So it's 4 of them that we need to get out. And we're just gonna use a socket and a 10 mil with a ratchet. This is what I did. I had to take off the oil filter so we can get to this bolt back here. I already took it out, took that one out, took out the third one, and this fourth one right here is actually up under there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's covered in oil. But that bolt, I got that bolt out with this here. I just went up under here like that and broke it free. These damn planes, I'm over here by the airport, excuse it, but that's gonna be the tough one up under there right there. But I got it loose now. I just gotta back it out. All right, we got them all out on that side. We ready to come down now. What I did was get the jack. I put it on the transmission, got it up, just bracing it so it won't, so I can get a little clearance up under here. So we're gonna need that in order to get the pan out as well, because that's gonna be in the way. We'll need some control arms. Thing's done. All right, we got this 10 mil right here. Get that out. Take that flap off. Boom. And now we can get these bolts out. There's 2 of them. All right, to get it off, I took my pry bar right there on that little notch, and I tapped the end of it with my hammer, my sludge hammer, and it fell right down. That's it. And it should just fall right out now because we got the motor raised just slightly. All right. So what I'm doing now is cleaning the surface free of all the old gasket. Get that smooth, because if you don't, it will leak. It definitely will leak. Won't seal properly. All right, we got it all cleaned up. And what I used was a plastic razor. That's it. I'll put a link in the description for these. I got them off Amazon. Got a nice pack of them. It's a bunch of them. All right, cut out a nice little notch. We should be good to go now. So I went ahead and sat it up in there and put these bolts in first. Just finger tight, just a little. Man, these planes won't let me live, man. So yeah, they in there. I got it held up. Those are finger tight. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start working the other bolts in. All right, we in there like swimwear. Everything tightened down, all the bolts. And we do have a nice little bead. A nice little bead going on with the sealing around. So we should be good. Alright, nice bead. Everything hooked back up. I didn't mention that it is a clip that's held in right here. Alright, man, we done. Just like that. Oil pan replacement. Hope the video helped out. Until next time, the Pull Up King.